Hello guys, today's date is Thursday, probably the 27th or something, I think. Anyway, so the loom I took off the 400 was terrible. As you've seen in the previous videos, they were burnt out bits near the rectifier and stuff like that. So I've made a little bit of balls up, but I haven't, if that makes sense. So this is the old loom in there, because you'll see that there's another one here. So what happened was, I had the old loom and I thought, right, I'll repair all the connectors and stuff. So I bought some connectors, but I've bought too many. And then I saw this wiring loom on eBay and I thought, ooh, right, I'll have a look at that. And I thought, I'll get that. And it's come, and I must admit, the wiring loom is actually brilliant. There's all the connectors are intact, stuff like that. So it's got a proper lid for the fuse box and stuff. So what I've done is I've started putting it together on the lights, you know, on the instrument panel, and then on the old loom, the rectifier, the regulator rectifier plug was all burnt there, so that's brilliant. And then I noticed that one of the terminals inside the rectifier were all black, so I managed to get another rectifier. So that's it really. So I don't think I have to do out on this loom, to be honest with you. What I might do is, you can see these bits here, this tape bit there, I might just, you know, cut that tape off and just clean it up a little bit. Same with the bits that are like that, stuff like that. I think that's all I need to do. And also what happened was, while all this were going on, I found this online, and this, I know there's a wiring diagram in the Haynes manual, but I figured I'd get this. So this is for a Honda CBR400RR NC23, and this is from, I don't know if you can see that or not. To me it looks blurred because my eyes are going. I keep saying this, but my freaking eyes are going. So this is a Core JCAT wiring diagram. It comes laminated, and it's brilliant. It's dead easy to understand, and it's got little pictures of what the stuff are rather than a shape, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to check, you know, I'm going to check all the wiring with my multimeter down there. I'll stick that battery on it, like that, and then I'll just check everything really, to be honest with you, and see if there's no shorts anywhere and stuff like that. If I'm happy with that, then I'll stick it back on the bike, but I need to clean the bike first, obviously. But yeah, so anyway, this wiring diagram, it's a A3 sheet, laminated. It's really cool. I love it. So I'm going to use this as a reference or whatever. But now I don't need it, because, like I say, I thought I was going to have to repair that old loom, but I've managed to get this replacement one. So yeah, so this is what happens when you're bored and you sat on eBay night after night. You tend to and fucking Amazon tend to forget what you've ordered and buy, and you just all of a sudden, then, you know, a couple of days later, fucking shit starts coming. So anyway, so yeah, so that's about it really for this video. It's only going to be a short one. And the other thing is, I've got all the stuff ready for that Thunder Ace engine for plating. So I'm going to send that off and get that plated, and that's it. So I shall see you later, guys.